Welcome to Kwon's Corner. Today, we're going on vacation. Woohoo!
I'm on my way to Budapest, so it's gonna be long plane, so I will have a me time. I'm gonna show you different way to make a cocktail in an airplane. It might not be the best cocktail you ever had, but let's try. Can I get a vodka and a cup of ice and an orange juice, please? They gave me a lot. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Lemon, is it?
Yeah.
Lemon
Yes.
Wow.
No, I will just hold it. They gave me a vodka and orange juice and an empty cup. If you have a vodka and an orange juice, you can make a screwdriver really easily. The ratio of vodka and orange juice is a 1:2 or 1:3. Depends on how you like your screwdriver. So I got one shot of vodka. I'm gonna mix it with orange juice. I think that's about 2. She gave me a lemon slice, so I'm gonna add it. I'm gonna stir it. Screwdriver. Cheers, guys. Ooh, I made it myself, and it tastes good. Ooh. Ooh. Pretty strong. Airplane bar is my favorite bar. You can actually adjust by your taste, and it's free. It's a.
You should have for a try.
Oh, excuse me. Can I get red wine with the ice and cranberry juice? Yeah. If you don't like cocktail, don't worry about it. You might like wine, right? So I'm gonna make a sangria. Sangria. Okay. You need 1 shot of red wine. Any red wine will work, and half a shot of cranberry juice. I think that's about half a shot. And you need half a shot of orange juice. Ta-da! This is how I make a sangria on an airplane. Cheers. Oh, that's pretty good. Bonjour? No, okay, wait. Sangria is a Spanish. I'm so sorry. Despacito. Despacito. Excuse me. Can I get 1 shot of whiskey with ice and Coke with separate cup, please? Thank you. Whoa.
And the Pepsi, right?
Okay, whoa. They gave me a lot of Coke and no whiskey. So, ratio of Jack Coke is really different. It depends on how you want it. So, usually it's 1 shot of whiskey and 3 to 5 shot of Coke. That's about 1 shot of whiskey. And I will add 4 shots of Coke. Jack Coke. Let's party. No. No. That's how I feel every time I have a Jack Coke. What should I make next? Thank you very much. I got tonic water and ice and a gin. The ratio of gin and tonic is 1:1 to 1:3. So let me have a 1 shot of gin and 3 shots of tonic. Gin and tonic. Ooh, very smooth. Ooh, bland. So tender and good. Oh my gosh, that's really good. I finished my meal and a cocktail, so now I'm gonna have a coffee, but not normal coffee. Coffee cocktail, White Russian. Let's make it. Can I have a Bailey's and a cream and a sugar? Yeah, thank you very much. Oh my gosh, so cute. Look at it. First, you need a shot of Bailey's. Ooh, so thick and creamy coffee. Okay, that's about a shot. And this is leftover vodka, so I'm gonna pour the vodka inside. And a little bit of cream. Since it's after meal, I'm gonna put a little bit of sugar, just like a tiny bit. I'm gonna stir it. This is perfect white Russian. Cheers. Ooh, very strong and so coffee and creamy. I like it. Oh, okay, thank you. Oh, she gave me ice. Ooh, now I feel like it's iced coffee. I like it. What should I have next? Oh, got it. I will have French 75. I take you to the candy shop. Lollipop. I guess I'm drunk. Can I get a white wine? Like, and Sprite? When I get there, it's gonna be night, so I can just go to sleep. So why not have fun? Let me try the white wine. Ooh, very sweet and sweet. No, that's not. I'm drunk. French 25. That doesn't sound like a French. French 24. No, I'm so sorry. I shouldn't do it. Okay, it's a French 25. I'll tell you the ratio. 1 shot of gin and 1 to 1.5 shots of white wine and 1 shot of Sprite. Make it a little sparkling and sweet. Thank you very much. She gave me a lot of ice, so I'll just pour my French 75. Ooh, very light, sweet, sparkling, and fresh. I really like it. Ooh, it's so refreshing. Even if you're not good at drinking, I think you will like this one. Which one was your favorite recipe? And if you have your own recipe, please comment down below. I really want to know what you guys think. So, hopefully see you next week. Bye bye. That's it for today's episode. Thank you so much for watching, and if you liked it, please hit subscribe and the like button. And if you want to see more video, it's over there and over there. And if you have any requests, please comment down below. I will make sure to cover it in a future episode. I can't be loud, sorry. Bye bye.